It's the same way many famous language learners recommend. Experts like Gabriel Weiner, who speaks 7 languages, and Steve Kaufman, who speaks 16 languages, all agree focus on learning the important everyday phrases first. You can quickly learn a new language by focusing on the most useful phrases. I have created a course that helps you master Arabic through real life phrases and conversations. In this course, we will kick off by learning the Arabic alphabet and how to read with vowels. Even if you already know how to read, I suggest you don't skip this part because you will discover many new words with helpful pictures. Then we will move on to learning common phrases by practicing real life conversations in different situations. The language might seem big and tricky, but don't worry. You won't start with tough topics. You will focus on simple everyday conversations in Arabic. You will find the most frequently used Arabic phrases ready for you to use right away. You won't have to build sentences in your mind before speaking. This course is designed to be fun and easy to follow, perfect for both adults and kids. So why wait? Join us and start speaking Arabic today. Let me help you embark on this exciting journey. I hope you enjoy learning this beautiful language. Thank you. Enroll now and let's begin this adventure together. وجزاكم الله خيرا.